Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power the surface down and remove any accessories so nothing powers the keyboard while you work. Once done, flip the unit and press the magnetic release to detach the type cover. This exposes the connector so you can inspect it closely. Use a bright light and a magnifier if needed. You want to see dirt, bent pins, or corrosion because those are the usual culprits. If you spot debris, you'll clean it carefully in the next step to avoid damage. Now clean the contacts. Blow compressed air across the connector to remove loose dust, then dampen a cotton swab with 90% plus isopropyl and wipe the pins lightly to remove residue. Alcohol evaporates fast, so risk is low. If a pin is slightly bent, use a non-metallic tool to nudge it back into place. Metal tools can short contacts. Once clean and aligned, position the keyboard at the hinge, align magnets and pins, and press firmly until it snaps. This ensures a solid electrical and magnetic interface. After reseating, boot the surface and check that the keyboard is detected. Go to Device Manager and look under Keyboards. If it's missing or flagged, uninstall the keyboard device, reboot, and Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. This resolves many software glitches. If the keyboard still won't work, perform a 2-button shutdown or hard reset to clear firmware states. Troubleshooting tip: if the type cover still fails, test it on another surface or try a different cover to confirm whether the issue is the cover or the tablet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.